Good morning, everyone. I'm Dr. Mamatha, Assistant Professor, Department of Life Sciences, KRISTU College, Autonomous, Bangalore. Today we are discussing about prokaryotics. Prokaryotic cell is a simple unicellular organism. It is mainly devoid of nuclear membrane. That means the lack of nucleus and other cellular back organelles. The prokaryotic DNA, a genetic material of the prokaryote, it's found in the central part of the cell nucleus. So the size ranges from 0.2 to 10 microns in size. The main categories of prokaryotes include protein and bacteria and microplasma. The main characteristics of prokaryotic cells include basically the lack nuclear membrane and the membrane organelles such as mitochondria, Golgi bodies, chloroplasts, lysosomes are absent in prokaryotes. The genetic material is present as a single chromatid without any structures like chromosome found in eukaryotes. So other than that, the histone proteins, which are the main components of eukaryotic chromosomes, are also absent in prokaryotes. The cell wall is usually made up of carbohydrates and simple amino acids. The plasma membrane, which acts as a mitochondrial membrane, helps in carrying respiratory enzymes. Prokaryotes divide both sexually and asexually, sexually by conjugation, asexually by binary fission. The main parts or components of prokaryotic cell include the capsule. So some of the prokaryotic cells, like some of the bacteria, possess capsule as the outermost protective layer, which is not present in all the bacteria. You can find capsules in some group of the bacteria. So they mainly help in retention of moisture and also helps in adherence of the organism to surfaces or nutrients. The cell wall, it is the outer covering of the cell, which gives a cell size and shape and also helps them to protect themselves from the harsh environment. The plasma membrane, it is the cell membrane which surrounds the cytoplasm. And a major function of cell membrane or plasma, especially we call it as plasma membrane, includes regulation of the flow of substances in and out of the organism. The cytoplasm, it is a liquid part of the cell. It is gel-like substances, which mainly composed of water, which contains various cellular components like enzymes, proteins, organic molecules, and salts. So some of the bacteria has the outermost appendages, which are hair-like structures called villi. Okay. So these are observed on the surface of the cell and they help the cell in attaching themselves to the surface. The whip-like protruding structures called flagella are also present in some of the bacteria, which mainly helps in locomotion of the cell. Plasmid, apart from genetic material DNA, some of the bacteria possesses circular double-stranded DNA structures called plasmids. They mainly help as a helping defense mechanism as antibiotic resistance. Prokaryotes possess 70s ribosome, which includes 30s smaller and 50s larger subunits. So the nuclear region, so this is the area in the cytoplasm that contains prokaryotic DNA molecules or the genetic material of the organism. The other organelles called mesosomes are the folded extension of the plasma membrane of the bacterial cell, and they provide additional space for the reaction taking place within the cell. Thank you.